Okay, so picture this. Blair. Not your average princess, right? Forget the frilly gowns and tiaras that pinch. Blair's more about designer jeans, perfectly tousled hair, and a schedule that would make a CEO sweat. Her castle. Think less medieval fortress, more chic boutique hotel. Every room is a curated Pinterest board, from the walk-in closet that's basically a high-end department store to the tech-savvy study where she runs her online fashion empire. One day, while scrolling through her meticulously organized digital files, she stumbles upon an old, dusty, leather-bound book. Ugh, what is this? She sighs, wrinkling her nose. It was her grandmother's journal, filled with tales of ancient royal traditions and, gasp, handwritten letters. Intrigued, Blair decides to ditch her usual schedule. No photo shoots, no business meetings, just a good old-fashioned treasure hunt. She trades her designer heels for sleek sneakers, grabs her custom-made backpack, and sets off to explore the castle's forgotten corners. Along the way, she meets Cedric, the castle's shy, bookish librarian. He's the complete opposite of Blair's usual crowd. No designer labels, no social media followers, just a genuine love for history and a surprising knack for solving puzzles. They find themselves climbing through the castle's highest tower, following the last clue. It leads them to a small, hidden room, where a single ray of sunlight illuminates a dusty old chest. Blair, with a flourish, opens the chest. Inside, there's no gold, no jewels, just a simple, worn wooden box. She opens that, and inside there is a letter. It explains that the real treasure is not material wealth, but the connections and friendships made. Blair decides to use her platform for good. She starts a campaign to restore the castle's forgotten gardens, using her influence to raise funds and awareness. She even convinces Cedric to join her, showcasing his knowledge of the castle's history in her online videos.
Do you love magical stories in English and Spanish? Get our 3-minute bilingual storybook.